An Institute for SSC. I am your Satya Misra. Today we are with the part second series of history, the best and important chapter Harappan and Indus Valley civilization. Today we are with our part second where we will discuss the most important PYQ basis questions which is very important for your examination purpose. So on the perspective of examination, on the behalf of the examination, we have prepared most important questions from the chapter of Indus Valley and Harappan civilization for your SSC with the PYQ level questions we have making here. So you all want with the MCQs topic wise questions we are here discussing. Make this session share to every or all the aspirant of SSC who really want to face examination of SSC in fully English language depending classes every in the detailed view. So we are here for the best approachment with our best dedication with our exclusive labor smart classes. Clear? So let's start the journey with number second series of the part history second level of data questions. So let's start. Question was saying, before starting, you everyone note down here part second history. Clear beta? Part second history. Name what I have Harappan and Indus, okay, civilization. Clear है बेटा? Harappan and Indus civilization. So number first question what number first to 10th we have completed in part first also most important have you should watch those also. Part second question number 11 what saying out of the one second wait beta out of the following clear beta remains executed in Indus Valley clear which one indicates the commercial which one indicates the commercial okay and economic development clear है बेटा question saying out of the following remains exalted in the Indus Valley civilization which one of the indicates the commercial and economic development. Clear have options what saying number first is pottery, option second seals, option third beta boards, option fourth beta houses. Before the answer I want to tell you this question has been asked in SSC CPOSI Central Police Organization Sub Inspector in 2002 examination beta. Clear है? Central Police Organization Sub Inspector 2002 CPOSI beta 2002 batch question है out of the following remains exerted in Indus Valley which one indicates the commercial and economic development. Number first pottery, second seals, third boats, fourth houses. Which is the right option have those beta ticket. So the right answer of this all is beta seals. Yes, seals is the one which is indicates the commercial and economic development of the Indus Valley civilization. Clear है बेटा? Next, and this question has been asked in SSC CPOSI 2002 batch. Clear है? Number 12th question, the earliest city clear है बेटा? The earliest city discovered in clear the earliest city discovered spelling here E include beta, discovered in India was clear. Have the earliest city discovered in India was options number first Harappa, option second beta Rangapur, option third beta Mohenjo-daro, option fourth beta Sindh. What है बेटा? Sindh. Okay, clear है बेटा, clear है Sindh. Okay, clear. And this question asked in beta CPOSI, hashtag beta CPOSI in 2003 beta. Clear have CPOSI 2003. Clear. Next. Clear have. Okay, so these are the points here. The question saying the earliest city discovered in the India was beta, so the discoveration of the first one earliest city beta Harappa. Clear have. Harappa discovered in India, the first one earliest city. Clear have beta. Then this question has asked in CPOSI 2003 batch. Clear have. Next question, note down. For the question we have to erase. Clear have. Okay, yes. Next question, right? Number 13. Which one of the following, note down, which one of the following, clear है बेटा, which one of the following Indus civilization site, Indus civilization, okay, Indus civilization site, clear, gives evidence of the dockyard, evidence of the dockyard of a dockyard. Clear है बेटा. Number first saying Harappa, second saying Lothal, and third saying Mohenjo-daro, clear have. And next saying beta Rokhi Garhi, next saying Rokhi Garhi beta. Clear have. Rokhi Garhi beta. Clear have. Question saying which one of the following, question what saying beta, which one of the following Indus Valley civilization site give the evidence of the dockyard. Option first Harappa, option second Lothal, option third Mohenjo-daro, option fourth is beta Rokhi Garhi beta. Clear have. So here the right answer beta, the which one first Indus Valley civilization site hai beta, so Lothal is the site beta which give the evidence of dockyard beta. Clear have. Understand. And this question has been asked in the previous examination of where has been beta asked CDS 2000. Okay, clear hai beta, CDS 2007 batch beta and 2008 both year this question has been asked beta, CDS 2007, CDS 2008. Clear have. Most important question have. Next number 14 question what saying which one of the following, note down fast, which one of the following, clear beta, which one of the following statement, clear, statement, clear, regarding Harappan civilization regarding Harappan civilization beta. Clear है? Harappan spelling wrong I am writing here. Oh my god. Harappan civilization beta. Clear है? Harappan civilization beta. Clear is correct. Firstly option right, then we will discuss on this also. Okay, clear. Number first saying the standard Harappan, the standard Harappan seal, the standard Harappan seals were made of clay beta. Clear. Next saying the inhabitants clear of Harappa had clear है बेटा. Harappa had neither knowledge, neither spelling neither है बेटा. Okay, neither, neither knowledge of copper, not bronze बेटा. Clear है. Next saying the inhabitants okay, the inhabitants of Harappa grow and used cotton. Clear है बेटा. and use cotton. Clear. Okay, question what saying which one of the following statement regarding Harappa civilization is correct. Clear have. That means here I have given only 3 4 have, but place issue, that's why only 3 given have. So in these all the 3, one statement is wrong have. Okay, one statement is wrong have for Harappan civilization. For the first saying the standard Harappan seals were made of clay, this is wrong have. Clear, because Harappa, the standard Harappan seals were not made of clay. Clear. Next, the inhabitants of the Harappan had neither knowledge of the copper not bronze. This is also wrong. They has the knowledge of copper and bronze. Clear have. The inhabitants of the Harappan grow and used cotton. This is wrong beta. This is wrong. Okay, so this option will be the right option. Number third option is the right option for this question. Clear hai? And this question has been asked. This question has been asked CDS 2010. Okay, where asked have, so CDS 2010, CDS 2010 batch asked this question. Clear hai beta? Note down everyone, fast note down. Most important questions have, most important question have with no any doubt. Clear. Okay, now erasing. Clear. Next question saying an advanced water management. Question number 15. An advanced water management. Clear है बेटा. An advanced water management system of Harappa. System of Harappan times had, okay, Harappan's time has been unearthed at, clear, have an option are here Dholavira, option second Lothal, option third Kalibanga, option fourth बेटा आलमगीरपुर, बेटा, clear have आलमगीरपुर, clear have. Question saying, and an advanced water management system of Harappan times has been unearthed at, clear have. The here saying an advanced water management system of Harappan times beta has been unearthed at, clear. And options are saying Dholavira, Lothal, Kalibanga and Alamgirpur beta, clear have. So and this question has been asked in 46th BPSC, clear have, 46th BPSC in 2004 batch, clear. So the right answer of this question is beta Dholavira. Dholavira is the option which is the right have. An advanced water management system of Harappan times has been unearthed at. Okay, number first is Dholavira, right option have, and this question 46th BPSC 2004 have, clear beta. Okay, now next question and the last question of the day, which is most important question have. Okay, from which one of the following, from which one of the following clear have places remains of okay beta, wells have been found, clear, in houses belonging clear to the developed stage of Indus Valley civilization beta, clear have, Indus Valley civilization beta, clear have, Indus Valley civilization. Options were saying Harappa, Kalibanga, option number first Kalibanga, Harappa, and next option beta Lothal and Mohenjo-daro, and clear. Question was saying from which one of the following places remains of the wells have been found in houses belonging to the developed stage of Indus Valley civilization, clear have, understand. Option Kalibanga, Harappa, Lothal or Mohenjo-daro. So the right answer of this question, option number fourth, is Mohenjo-daro beta, clear have. And for your kind information, this question asked in UPPSC, that time watch PCS have, okay, UPPCS prelims, okay, UPPCS prelims 2004, clear have. This time UPPSC have, that time UPPCS have, in the prelims batch 2004, clear have. Hope you understood very well. And this was the part series in the Indus and Harappan civilization which we have completed today. The part second, most important part have for the SSC aspirants, and you got that everything in the exclusive way, and you got that opportunities which is very next level have. Hope you understood very well. Any kind of information and any kind of the doubt, you can easily make comment to get sure the best positivity. So thank you so much. Best of luck. Jai Hind.